Hello guys! Today, birthday sa kwang igagaw. So, naa siya nga rin sa Germany. Then, first time niya diri mag-birthday. Of course, kay naabot siya July, August, September, October, November, December. 5 months pa lang siya diri. So, karon wala siya kahibalo nga nag-prepare me for her. So, look. Nagdeko ko gamay. Wala pa ko nahuman. Wala pa ko nahuman. So, before siya maabot gikan sa eskwelahan, magluto na ko dapat. Human ako gluto. So, bear with me. Wala pa ko nahuman, ha? Kuyuta. Magpaburo tagbalon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Nakakita magyud siya ba klaro kaayo? Nakakita ka sa juice. Kita ka sa juice? Yeah. Happy kay si Robin as in. Mga ano ta? Happy birthday to you. Sa isinta na ka no? Mora na among handa. Point. Silent reading man ko. Dili pwede. Silent reading. Kailangan imong basahon og kusog. Nay. Basahon imong kusog, bahalag mo hilak ka.
Sit down.
Oh.
Love post. Air post. Priority.
Ay ka.
Good chin.
Kinahanglan nimo nang dili nimo gustuhon og daghan ha?
Oh.
Kausa-usara, not together.
Good chin.
Yeah.
Eyelash.
Pakita asad. Oh, one time ra ha.
Dapat na ay kuan.
Dili 2 times.
What is the size?
Walay size. Kay kinahanglan ang size pareha sa imong buhok kataasa.
Good chin number 2.
Yeah, perfect.
Extra nails.
I wanted to drink out of this. I put it away.
What you wanna drink?
It.
What you wanna drink?
I wanted to drink this, but then
Why you're talking like something
now I'm
else?
drinking this.
Why you're drinking this? What are you? Huh?
Okay, I'm doing it.
What are you?
It's heavy. It's like 5 kilos.
5 kilos. Okay, sige, let's start.
It's just like a phone.
Yeah.
A rice.
Maybe a sack of rice. What aha?
Poco.
Poco.
Yeah. Oh wow. That's fun.
No, it's your phone. I know. Just knew it.
Unsa na?
Knew it. Cell phone.
Cellphone?
Yeah. You what?